Hi Asmi Risha,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Asmi, have you seen that video, beta?
The one you sent, ma'am, around 15 minutes back.
No, no, the video that I explained in yesterday's class, that non-cyclic
Yeah,
photophosphorylation.
yes, ma'am. I actually went through. I read the thing,
Mm-hmm.
and I was going through the video like around 5 minutes back.
Okay.
So I still need a bit more time, ma'am. After that, if I have any doubts, I will personally contact you once more.
I will suggest you first to see the video and then to read the theory that is given in your book.
That will be better.
That will be more better.
Okay,
So
I'll do that.
the things will be clear in your mind. If you think that you need to know about the theory of the chapter, then once go. But I will suggest you to see the video first.
Yeah, ma'am, because I was going through the previous portions also before the electron transport. So that's what I was going through, and the video I had and the portion I had just started. So I didn't know the video to start first, or should I start the portion first? Ma'am,
If
you're on mute. Yeah.
if you have a little bit idea of this non-cyclic photophosphorylation, then I will suggest you to see the video first. And if you don't know anything about cyclic photophosphorylation, then just go through the book once, then see the
Ma'am.
video. I have seen the video first, then I have read that theory portion. But I think if you will see the video, then there will be no need of you to like read the theory of that book,
Okay,
because
ma'am, I'll do that.
itself is self-explanatory. In the end of the video, the sir is giving you the points as well.
Okay.
जो points होंगे उस cyclic non-cyclic photophosphorylation के important points he will be giving you in 4 points. And I have also shared the like photo of that picture as well as the वो जो reaction है वो वाला. So
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I will do that
and
as you said.
see the video, the like sir, that sir is explaining very well. Today I will be going to explain you the basics about the photosynthesis, जो भी portions या चीजें हैं. उसके बाद we will be doing chemiosmosis. एक दिन में एक cycle I will explain you, क्योंकि एक से ज्यादा समझाया तो confusion हो जाएगा. इसलिए I'm taking classes regularly.
Ma'am, this whole week we will have classes every day, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I wish in next week will also be having continuous classes. Two chapters are there in which these cycles are present. So I want more time. Like मुझे 1.5 चाहिए एक साइकिल एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए, ताकि वो पूरा माइंड में क्लियर हो, क्योंकि नीट में भी इससे रिलेटेड बहुत क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, उनको समझना बहुत जरूरी है. आई विल नॉट रन, इसीलिए आई नीड सम टाइम. तो एक दिन अगर मैं अल्टरनेट क्लासेस लूंगी तो 3 साइकिल से कंप्लीट होंगी. बट इफ आई टेक क्लासेस रेगुलरली तो 6 साइकिल्स एटलीस्ट पूरा चैप्टर हम 1 वीक में अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर पाएंगे.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
ओके, सो वेयर इज अनवद्या टुडे?
I'll
कॉल,
try calling her.
कॉल हर, है ना, कॉल हर. Risha?
Yes, ma'am.
So the cyclic, non-cyclic photophosphorylation is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. Hello, Shreya.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Have you seen the videos that I have sent in group, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have you seen the video related to non-cyclic photophosphorylation?
The one you sent today, ma'am.
No, I sent two videos today that I'm going to explain you in today's class. The video that I have sent yesterday, उसमें से भी non-cyclic photophosphorylation का there was one video, हाँ, that I have shared yesterday. कल के
Okay,
class
ma'am.
के time I have sent a video. So
Okay, ma'am.
you were
I'll
supposed
check.
to see that video. I have explained that in the last class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, वो आज एक काम करना, after finishing today's class you can see that video
Okay,
when
ma'am.
you get time, and if you have any doubt you can ask me.
Yes,
Today
ma'am.
today we will be studying the basics related to photosynthesis, that is the components that are involved in photophosphorylation, and the chemiosmosis theory. What is chemiosmosis cycle? Chemiosmosis, how like the ATP is produced during the mm, by the during photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 का cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation के time ATP is produced. So how the ATP is produced? So that thing we are going to study today. ठीक है? Asmi?
Yes, ma'am. I tried calling her. Her phone isn't reaching, and I don't think so. She's picking up.
Okay, so I think I should start today's class.
Yeah, ma'am. I think she will join later. Probably she has some issues, connective issues. Yeah.
It might be possible. Okay, so I have sent you two videos today. So I will suggest you to see. Wait for 1 minute. I will let you know which video we are going to see first.
Impermeable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So the first link that I have shared, please open that link. And inform me if you have opened that link.
Noticed?
Open.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Shreya, Asmi, Risha, everyone have opened that video related to photosynthesis.
Yes, ma'am.
Photosynthesis and light
Yes,
reaction
ma'am.
part. Okay. The
Yes,
video.
ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Now start watching that video, and if you find problem at any point, you can ask me. ठीक है? एक बार वो वीडियो देखो, उसमें like all the details related to your photosynthesis and photorespiration. ऋषा का जो डाउट था ना कल का कि वो एटीपी कहाँ से आया, उसका आंसर इज ऑल्सो देयर इन दिस वीडियो. ओके okay, so start watching that video, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, start. I'm also watching.
Topic is photosynthesis. It is light reaction. It is also known as photophosphorylation.
Yeah, Anvadya. Hello, Anvadya. Hello. Anvadya, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, beta. I have shared 2 videos today in our group. So the
Yes,
video
ma'am.
that is related to photosynthesis and light reaction first part, please see that video.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See that video, then we will discuss in class. Please on your videos.
Ma'am, if I switch on my radio, like your voice starts breaking for me.
There is network error. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
Shreya,
Ma'am, last 10 minutes of the video is like the last time's video we saw, right? It's the same thing, I guess.
but, like I have not that in that video, cyclic photophosphorylation was not there. So the last 10 minutes explain that only. Is explaining that cyclic photophosphorylation only, I think.
Okay, ma'am.
I haven't finished watching. Can you wait for another 10 minutes?
I am also watching. I have to see that cyclic photophosphorylation. I am also watching the video and making notes for you along with that. Okay. Start video. Beta, please on your videos. Otherwise, how come how would I come to know that you are watching it?
Ma'am, actually, like there was a mistake in one place, like in the video, in ma'am, 1 minute.
I think you will ask about that light harvesting complex portion, right?
Ma'am, what?
What's the mistake in the video, Risha?
Ma'am, where he supposed that PS1 in place of like PS1, like he's just a minute. I don't know how to explain it.
No, he has drawn a light harvesting complex just near to PS1, right?
No, ma'am, that's fine. Because
Eh?
if you go like to 6 minutes 3 seconds of the video, in near like in 6 minutes 3 seconds, there in like in PS1 he's written that PS1 is responsible for the splitting of water, but actually it's PS2.
Yeah, PS2 is responsible.
Yes, ma'am. So I think that is wrong.
Ma'am, he has explained that PS2 is responsible for splitting of water while
No, but in
explaining
the
the process.
diagram, he's like marked it wrong. In like where there's PS1, he's showed that that's the splitting of
One
water.
second, let me check.
I
To
have
like
not seen
16
that
minutes
thing in
3 seconds.
Oh, it's fine. You know that PS second is involved in photolysis of water, right? So it might
No,
be.
ma'am. PS2, it's in the diagram also. PS2 is the one responsible for the splitting of water.
Yeah, but he's marked
Yeah.
it as PS1 over there.
Let me
16
see.
minutes 3 seconds.
1 minute. वैसे तो ये बहुत he's
One
like
second.
very
16 minutes.
He's
16 minutes 3 seconds. Or like
1 minute.
little bit forward also is fine. Wherever.
नहीं बेटा ऐसा mistake होना तो नहीं चाहिए. Let me see once.
He's marked.
PS2 is only responsible for water.
Yeah, PS2 is responsible for water splitting.
Yeah, I think that's what he's explaining also. Right?
Okay. What I think he has marked PS1 and PS2, but he forgot to explain that this like थोड़ा सा उनसे mistake हुआ है. उन्होंने photosystem 2 की चीज he has mentioned in photosystem 1, but
Yes,
we know that this photolysis of water occur in photosystem 2. Actually बोल तो सही रहे हैं, but explain करने में diagram में वो थोड़ा सा mistake हो गया उनसे.
Yes, ma'am, I got confused. I'm like,
Ma'am, I didn't understand. What is the mistake?
One minute. Just go at the video when it is 16 minutes over. 16 minutes 19 seconds or 16 minutes से start करो. जहाँ video में 16 minutes आता है ना, start from that.
हाँ ma'am, I'm there. Yeah.
Go there and just on the video. He's explaining that photolysis of water will occur only like photosystem second is only capable to do photolysis of hydrolysis of water. Okay, breakdown of water can only be done with the help of photosystem second. He is saying the correct thing, but in diagram he is explaining that thing on photosystem 1. That's wrong. It's fine. तुमको पता है ना that it occurs on photosystem second. वो भी इंसान ही है, कभी mistake हो सकती है. But you know that photolysis.
Okay, photosystem 2 में we have breakage of water. Photosystem 1 is a special enzyme and NADP reduce.
NADP reductase.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, fine.
जब तुम कल का वीडियो देखोगी ना, इफ यू हैव अटेंडेड टुडे यस्टरडेज क्लास अर्लियर, और अगर तुम वीडियो देख के भी आती ना, तो कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होता बेटा. I have explained non-cyclic photophosphorylation in last class.
No, ma'am, I understood this. I'm just asking doubt कौन सा है ऋषा को, because I didn't.
नहीं, वो मुझे समझ में आ गया, वो ठीक है, वो वीडियो में मिस्टेक है. ऋषा, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड.
Yes, ma'am. I thought like something went wrong probably.
नहीं नहीं, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्लस ऑक्सीजन, ठीक है. चलो चलो, मेरे को भी लास्ट 10 मिनट्स का देखना है, देखो फटाफट, फिर हम डिस्कस करते हैं. So have you seen the video completed?
Yes, ma'am.
I have just 2 minutes left. 2 minutes.
Okay. Finish it and inform me, huh?
Mom, did you get my answer sheets, chapter 17 and 18? Mom, your mic is on mute.
Yeah, I have to check your copies, Shreya. I don't know what happened. Your and Asmi's copies were not opening in my lap, like mobile. So I informed Asmi, then she resent me the copies. Then I was able to like see the answer sheets. So is it possible for you to resend me your copies?
Yes, Mom, I'll do it. Can I do it tomorrow? It's in my other phone, so I need that. It's not here with me.
Okay, fine. And one more thing, Shreya, please be regular in classes, beta, because
Mom,
it's
yesterday's class.
yesterday and before that you.
Yesterday I had Akash, Mom, at 4 o'clock.
Okay, okay. Just you would have informed me, no? So I thought
Okay,
कि क्या
Mom.
हो गया? And it's for everyone of you. Please be regular during these classes because these cycles are very important.
Okay, Mom.
Okay. Okay, you are done with that, Asmi, Anavadya?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we only had to watch part 1, right?
Yeah, part 1. And if we finish part 1 today, then we will be like I will be explaining you chemiosmosis as well. But I don't think कि अब हमारा chemiosmosis हो पाएगा. आज यही हो पाएगा. Anvadya, have you seen that video, beta?
Ma'am, the first video.
Yeah, part 1. That.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am sending the videos before 1 or 2 days for that purpose only. ताकि तुम लोग देख के क्लास में आओ तो मुझे क्लास में सिर्फ एक्सप्लेन करना रहे. ऐसे क्लास में वीडियोस देखेंगे तो एक दिन हम एक भी कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाएंगे. Risha and Shreya, have you seen
Yes,
finished?
ma'am. I finished long time back. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
So-
mom, it's done.
it's done.
Yes,
Okay.
mom. Mom,
So-
can I leave? It's time for Akash.
Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah, Risha, Asmi, and Anvadya.
Yes, ma'am.
I have made the notes for this portion as well. So first I'm sending you the photos of that. You can open that while during class, है ना? I have marked the page numbers also. Okay. Okay. So, please open those papers that I have sent you. Opened? Risha? Okay. Risha will not be able to. Yeah. I know you will not be able to join, like start your video. It's fine. Okay. So, in first paper, the structure of chloroplast is given. So I don't think there is need to explain the diagram again, because I have already explained the diagram in like one chapter, or should I do? Okay, so I'm explaining. So that it's a double membrane structure, and that's lamellae that connects two grana that are the stacks of thylakoid is known as stroma lamellae, because it is present towards the stroma side. In this stroma lamellae photosystem, one will be present that will be involved in cyclic photophosphorylation. Okay, and photophosphorylation means formation of ATP in presence of light, or addition of phosphate group in presence of light to produce ATP. Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat
Now
that?
let's take.
Photophosphorylation.
So, photophosphorylation means formation of ATP in presence of light, or addition of inorganic phosphate to ADP to form ATP during cyclic photophosphorylation. ATP will also be produced during non-cyclic photophosphorylation, but along with that, coenzyme, that is NADPH plus H plus, will also be produced during during non-cyclic photophosphorylation. And this non-cyclic photophosphorylation will occur inside the ऑन द मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ ग्रेना, है ना, थाइलेकोइड के मेम्ब्रेन पे होगी, जो स्टैक होगा थाइलेकोइड्स का ग्रेना बनाएगा, उस थाइलेकोइड मेम्ब्रेन में फोटोसिस्टम 1 and फोटोसिस्टम 2 both be available there. They will be involved in non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Everything I have written in the notes. Okay. Okay, sure. Now it's fine. Should I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So light reaction means cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation are involved in light reaction. ठीक है. Dark reaction में Kelvin cycle और carbon reduction will be involved. So light reaction में आपका क्या होगा? During light reaction, assimilative powers will be produced. That is ATP and NADPH plus H plus, and is also known as reduced coenzyme. Okay, so these ATP and NADPH plus H plus combinedly known as assimilative power. So why these are produced during non-cyclic photophosphorylation, और ये कहाँ use होंगे? They will be used during Kelvin cycle. This ATP will be used as energy source, and this NADPH plus H plus will be used during reduction of carbon. ठीक है? ठीक है, should I proceed?
Ma'am, light reactions are divided into cyclic and non-cyclic
Photophosphorylation.
Yes, ma'am.
Phosphorylation.
Photophosphorylation.
Yes. ठीक है? Okay. Now, अब dark reaction. What's the difference between light reaction and dark reaction? Light reaction में two things will be produced, both like in case of cyclic and non-cyclic, ATP will be produced. So along with time is over, or time is there?
15 minutes around.
Okay.
20 minutes are there.
So along with ATP in non-cyclic phosphorylation, NADPH plus H plus is also produced. That is known as reduced coenzyme. Okay. ठीक है. So, but in case of dark reaction, open page number 2 that I have sent you. Page number 2 पे ये लिखा है, during dark reaction CO2 get reduced from C6H12O6. So what is this C6H12O6? This is glucose, that is the food of the plants. Okay, so during dark reaction carbon get reduced to produce the food, but during dark reaction oxygen evolution will not occur. Oxygen evolution will only occur during the light reaction. उसमें भी part में oxygen evolution will occur, Risha?
Like in which photosystem or which?
I'm asking about the photosystem only.
Ma'am, photosystem.
Photosystem, yeah, ये भी cyclic, and you can also answer cyclic or non-cyclic.
Okay, non-cyclic.
Ma'am, can you explain
non-cyclic.
how in this process carbon is reduced?
This will for this I have a separate video, Kelvin cycle ka video, that I will be explaining you in day after tomorrow's class. क्योंकि कल तो
Is
no,
it like
हाँ,
we
कल-
gain electrons? Like there's a increase in their decrease in the oxidizing power or something like that.
See, ma'am, it
हाँ,
converts
हाँ.
from CO2 to C6H2 H12O6.
It's
H12 or
like it's a separate. It's a separate process. I will be explaining you. जब Kelvin cycle पढ़ेंगे, then we will do it. H12 होना चाहिए. मैंने H12 लिखा है. C6H12 होना चाहिए. ठीक है?
Could you like
जल्दी जल्दी
briefly
में
just
आया
tell how is it? Like how does it?
No, we'll explain it separately. Kelvin cycle जब मैं explain करूंगी, then I will explain you. It's an introductory part to give you an basic difference between dark and light reaction. इसीलिए today आज का class ये है. I was about to मुझे लगा कि I will be able to finish chemiosmosis in today's class, but तुम लोग वीडियो देख के नहीं आते हो, क्लास में वीडियो देखते हो तो my time gets waste. ठीक है? So Kelvin cycle I will explain, उसमें I will explain you how this dark reaction is occurring. आज हमको cyclic photosphorylation complete ताकि मैं कल chemiosmosis और हो सके तो Kelvin cycle finish करूं. ठीक है? So I will explain you later on. अभी के लिए इतना ही ध्यान रखो कि इसमें ये होता है, तो अगर पॉसिबल हो तो उस पेपर में C612 कर लेना. मैं फास्ट में शायद नहीं लिखी. Now, what do you mean by phosphorylation? Phosphorylation means addition of an inorganic phosphate group to ADP. So, in order to produce ATP. तो अब Risha was asking कि ये inorganic phosphate कहाँ से आया? तो ये inorganic phosphate जो आपके light energy है, उससे energy जो आई ना, वो add कर रही है inorganic phosphate to produce ATP. ठीक है Risha?
inorganic phosphate, like inorganic substances can be anything present in the atmosphere, right? Which the ADP
हाँ, but
mixes.
inorganic phosphate is inorganic phosphate only.
Okay, it's a separate
Phosphate adenosine diphosphate will be present there. उसके अंदर light energy से energy आई जिसने add किया inorganic phosphate to produce ATP. That is the we can say byproduct of phosphorylation, photophosphorylation.
Got it.
ठीक है? Okay, now open page number 3. Page number 3. Is page number 3. Yeah. So in page number 3, structure of thylakoid membrane is explained. Okay. So the inner hollow portion of thylakoid membrane is known as lumen, and the outer surface that surrounds the thylakoid membrane is known as stroma. So you all are watching the papers that I have sent, right?
Yes,
okay, so this is the enlarged portion of thylakoid membrane. The first thing that is shown in the diagram is photosystem 1. This photosystem 1 will be present alone in stroma lamella में, जहाँ पे cyclic photophosphorylation will occur. But in thylakoid membrane, both photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 will be present, and they will work together during non-cyclic photophosphorylation to produce ATP and that reduce coenzyme. ठीक है?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, you told that in the thylakoid, both photosystem 1 and 2 will be present.
So I am saying the same. For thylakoid,
Ma'am, I thought
photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 दोनों present होंगे, तभी तो वो non-cyclic photophosphorylation में work करेंगे. और जो stroma की lamella होगी, उसमें सिर्फ photosystem 1 will be present, जो cyclic.
But they told that in granular lamella only photosystem 2 is present, no?
No. दोनों present होंगे. Diagram itself is given, no? डायग्राम देखना उनका क्लास ओवर होने के बाद, उनकी क्लास तुम वीडियो फिर से देखना ऋषा, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. लैमेला में सिर्फ फोटोसिस्टम 1 होगा और थैलेकॉइड की मेम्ब्रेन में बोथ फोटोसिस्टम 1 एंड फोटोसिस्टम 2 विल बी प्रेजेंट दैट आर इन्वॉल्व इन नॉन साइक्लिक फोस्फोराइलेशन टू प्रोड्यूस एटीपी एंड दैट कोएंजाइम और कोफैक्टर व्हाटएवर इट इज NADH++H+. ठीक है? डायग्राम देख के समझो ना बेटा, डायग्राम में फोटोसिस्टम 1 and 2 बोथ आर गिवन, लेकिन फोटोसिस्टम का व्हाट इज द स्पेसिफिक थिंग अबाउट फोटोसिस्टम 1 इज दैट इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ NADP रिडक्टेज एंजाइम, जिसकी वजह से NADP प्लस रिड्यूस्ड इनटू NADPH प्लस H+ इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ NADP रिडक्टेज. ठीक है. And what is the specific thing about photosystem second is that this photosystem second is involved in hydrolysis of water to produce oxygen, 4 electrons and 4 protons. अब ये जो electrons and protons है ये आगे एक process में use होंगे. ये NADP reductase के use, NADP reductase will use it to reduce NADP into NADPH+ and H+. ठीक है. ये सब चीजें, all these things I have written in notes. तो अभी थोड़ा समझने की कोशिश करना, उसके बाद see these notes. Okay. And there are 2 more we can say mobile electron carriers that will also be present, plastoquinone and plastocyanine. ये electron carrier इतना ही काम है इनका. And third electron carrier, or we can say a complex known as cytochrome B6F complex will also be present. So the formation of ATP will occur at the point of cytochrome B6F complex. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन साइटोक्रोम B6F के पास आएंगे, उसके पास से आगे जाने से पहले ही ATP synthesis will occur. ठीक है. So if a question is asked, this is ATP synthesis in case of the ATP synthesis in photosystem 1, or we can say light and dark reaction will occur at which point? So you have to, it will occur at the cytochrome B6F complex. ठीक है.
ATP formation will occur in CB6F complex.
साइटोक्रोम B6F complex, इसको बोलते हैं CYT, साइटोक्रोम B6F complex और साइटोक्रोम B complex. Simply you can say that also. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद आपके पास एक और we can say चैनल या ऐसा कुछ होगा जिसको हम बोलेंगे CF particles और ATP synthase होगा. ये जो इसका पिक्चर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जो है बॉटम वाला जो स्ट्रोमा साइड में है, इसके अंदर ATP सिंथेज एंजाइम प्रेजेंट होगा और इनके 2 एंड्स को हम कहेंगे CFO पार्टिकल्स, नीचे वाले को बोलेंगे CF1 पार्टिकल्स. अब क्या होगा जब ATP सिंथेसिस होगा ना, हाँ ATP सिंथेसिस होगा तो क्या होगा, जो प्रोटॉन्स आए ल्यूमन में प्रोटॉन की कंसेंट्रेशन ज्यादा हो जाएगी. अब उस कंसेंट्रेशन को डिफ्यूजन के थ्रू, ये केमियोस्मोसिस जब हम कल पढ़ेंगे तब तुम्हें ये चीज मैं कल समझाऊंगी, अभी थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. एक्चुअली क्या होता है जब केमियोस्मोसिस होता है उस वक्त हमारा प्रोटॉन का कंसेंट्रेशन इज वेरी मच हायर इन द स्ट्रॉ. सो मेन एम इज टू इंक्रीज द प्रोटॉन कंसेंट्रेशन इन द ल्यूमन ऑफ द thylakoid membrane so that the protons from lumen can move to stroma portion passively. ठीक है. या डिफ्यूजन के थ्रू या ऑस्मोसिस, डिफ्यूजन के थ्रू, डिफ्यूजन और ऑस्मोसिस, डिफ्यूजन के थ्रू दे विल मूव. सो जब प्रोटॉन्स विल कम फ्रॉम ल्यूमन टू स्ट्रोमा, देन द ATP विल बी गेट सिंथेसाइज्ड. जो प्रोटॉन का जो माइग्रेशन होगा फ्रॉम हायर कंसेंट्रेशन टू लो कंसेंट्रेशन, इट विल रिलीज एनर्जी. दैट एनर्जी विल बी यूज्ड इन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ATP. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज केमियोस्मोसिस एंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू टुमारो प्रोसेस. अभी सिर्फ इतना ही समझो. ठीक है. उसके बाद लास्ट थिंग इज प्लास्टोसाइनिन एंड फोटोसिस्टम सेकंड, दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन. सो देयर 4 complexes that are involved in or present in thylakoid membrane. First is photosystem 1, जिसका reaction center will be P700. Why? Because it will absorb the red light in P700 और 700 wavelength red light absorb करेगा. Photosystem second is known as P680 because it will absorb the red light at 680 wavelength. And one most important thing you have to remember is that photosynthesis will occur best in red light. Okay. Now open page number 4. Okay. The fourth complex is coupling factor, that is known as CF particles, that consist of CFO and CF1 2 points. And the bottom portion consists of an enzyme ATPase that is responsible for synthesis of ATP after gaining the energy from the protons that are present in the lumen of the thylakoid membrane. And fifth is cytochrome B6F complex. ठीक है. Now, what are the specific feature of photosystem 2 and system 1? I have already explained you. Now, what the important thing about photosynthesis you have to remember is what is the source of oxygen that is produced during photosynthesis? So don't get confused between them, because it's a very important question from NEET point of view. The options will be given. The source of oxygen during the source of oxygen that is evolved during photosynthesis is carbon dioxide, water, or some other options. Then don't get confused. You have to always remember that the source of oxygen that is evolved during photosynthesis will be water. And this photolysis of water is occurring at in which photosystem? Anavadya? Anavadya? Net's not working. Yeah, Asmi, you can also answer if you know.
Photolysis
Photolysis of water is
I think photosystem 2.
yes, photosystem 2. Very
It's called the reduction of H2O molecule, right?
good.
It's called photolysis.
Photolysis, or we can say hydrolysis, not photolysis. That is hydrolysis, because it is breakdown of water molecules.
No, ma, I think it's photolysis
I'll-
only. I had Google, like when during the video I had Googled the meaning. I think it was
No, it is not
breaking
occurring.
down.
Yeah, yes,
It is
ma'am.
hydrolysis only.
Photolysis is in the presence of light, and hydrolysis is like without light.
Yeah. So we use hydrolysis word for this. I think. 1 minute. I'm getting confused between photolysis and hydrolysis. Let me see. In
Photolysis is
last
the
paper,
breakdown of water in presence of light. He had
in
told
presence
last
of
class.
light.
Yeah, ma'am, photo. So obviously.
In presence of light. So I have written here, no? What? 1 minute. उसका specific feature लिखा है ना मैंने photosystem 2 का. 1 minute. हाँ, हाइड्रोलिसिस ही होगा. हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर. फोटोलिसिस नहीं है, मैं गलत बोल रही हूँ. But no photolysis, it is hydrolysis, because it is breakdown of water only. Light is not involved there. Okay. So during light reaction, first thing that is produced is water. No, sorry, oxygen is produced. Second thing is that NADP is getting reduced into NADPH plus H plus. Okay. Now this is fourth. Now let's go to fifth number page.
Ma'am,
So
1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, photolysis again here. This whole cyclic phosphorylation is occurring in the presence of light, right? So
yeah, that thing is photophosphorylation means what? Addition of phosphate group in presence of light. ठीक है? लेकिन this water breakdown is not occurring in presence of light. ये क्यों हो रहा है? ये हो रहा है so that the electron deficiency of PS1 can be fulfilled. ठीक है? During this time आपका water molecule break होके it will produce oxygen with 4 electrons and 4 protons. 2 molecules of water will be broken down to produce 1 molecule of oxygen, 4 electrons and 4 protons. So these electrons and protons that are produced, the electrons will fulfill the deficiency of photosystem 1 के electron जो excite होके आगे चले गए primary electron acceptor के पास. और ये जो 4 protons है ये NADP plus के पास चले जाएंगे so that it can be reduced into NADPH plus plus H plus. अगर तुम कल का वीडियो देख के आती तो आज बहुत अच्छा समझ में आता. Asmi and Anvadya, I'm saying you again, please see yesterday's video and please ask me questions. नहीं तो मुझे नहीं पता चलेगा कि you are getting or not. Risha is asking questions continuously, so I know that हाँ she is studying. But if you will not ask any question, so I will not be able to like decide whether you are watching or not. Okay? You are understanding or not? And if you will not understand these cycles, then बहुत problem होने वाला है. You should understand these.
Ma'am,
From your
so this
like
breakdown of water is hydrolysis.
hydrolysis, yes.
Ma'am, but they are occurring in the presence of light in both the cases, right? In cyclic
exactly,
also,
ma'am. This was
in
my question
non-cyclic
also.
cyclic में photolysis of water, hydrolysis of
yeah,
water will not occur.
Yeah. Photolysis won't occur only.
No, we call is that hydrolysis only. I don't know.
But there's no breakdown of water, ma'am, in cyclic.
What?
Ma'am, there's no breakdown of water in cyclic phosphoevaluation.
हाँ, there will be it will only occur during photosystem second में ही होगा, non-cyclic में ही होगा.
Yes,
this is the basic difference between cyclic and नॉन साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन। ठीक है, इसको मुझे तो यही पता है कि इसको हाइड्रोलिसिस ही बोलेंगे। यू चेक इन योर बुक that this known as hydrolysis or like
But they continuously using the term photolysis of water, and in the previous video also he explained that photolysis is because it happens in the presence of light. I just remember that.
No,
much.
he is saying that photophosphorylation, why? Because it is occurring, addition of phosphate group is occurring in presence of light, इसीलिए photophosphorylation कहते हैं हम, cyclic and non-cyclic both. But ये like breakdown of water is known as hydrolysis or photolysis. I will check and will let you know. मेरे हिसाब तो हाइड्रोलिसिस ही होना चाहिए, but I am
But
also
if
saying
you see
photolysis.
the previous video, right? He's continuously used the term photolysis, and he's even explained why it is photolysis.
Actually, I'm not sure कि उसको हम photolysis बोलेंगे या hydrolysis बोलेंगे. So I will see the video once and will like send a message in group that we will call it as photolysis or hydrolysis. It's not important, but you should know that this lysis of water is occurring at which stage या कौन से photosystem के साथ it is associated. Okay. Now come to cyclic photophosphorylation part. So what are the specific features in time is over है ना?
I just googled hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is basically the addition of water molecule.
Okay.
So
you just Google. I will let you know, beta. Let me complete this topic. From tomorrow, I will not give time to see the video in class. ठीक है? क्योंकि बहुत टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है मेरा, बेटा आपका कोर्स नहीं कंप्लीट कर पाऊंगा। ठीक है, सो कल के लिए केमी ऑस्मोसिस का वीडियो यू हैव टू सी एंड देन यू हैव टू कम इन क्लास, अदरवाइज आई विल नॉट टेक क्लास। बहुत टाइम वेस्ट होता है बेटा क्लास में वीडियो देखने से, मैं पहले क्यों सर्च करके सेंड कर रही हूँ। आई एम डूइंग एफर्ट सो दैट यू कैन इन क्लास बी प्रिपेयर्ड, बट यू आर नॉट वेरी सीरियस अबाउट द थिंग्स एंड दे आर वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग्स, नहीं समझ में आने वाला ऐसा किसी के समझाने से until you came prepared in class। आप देख के आओगे तो मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगी तो it will be easy for you। ठीक है, अब what is cyclic photophosphorylation? It will occur in photosystem 1. So where the photosystem 1 will be present? It will be present in the stroma lamella. Yeah, so what will happen as the light falls on photosystem 1, the electrons will get excited, or all the light is passed from the accessory pigments to chlorophyll A, that is the reaction cell. The electrons get excited and will reach primary electron acceptor. Now from primary electron acceptor, the electrons will move to mobile electron carrier. So as the electrons reach to CF6 particles, the ATP will be produced, and this process is known as chemiosmosis। ठीक है, केमियोस्मोसिस आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू टुमारो। तो क्या हो गया, जो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स थे इनकी एनर्जी कहाँ गई? द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दैट कम फ्रॉम CF6 particles will be without any energy because their energy is used in addition of inorganic phosphate with ADP produce ATP. Now the electrons get vacant and they came back to their photosystem 1. So because this process is occurring in a cyclic manner, that's why we will call it as cyclic photophosphorylation। ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, Asmi and Anavadya? Fast,
Yes,
beta,
ma'am.
people are adding. Okay. So what are the specific feature of cyclic photophosphorylation is that इसमें oxygen production is not involved. Second is splitting of water will not, actually हमको उसको splitting of water ही बोलना चाहिए, हाइड्रोलिसिस फोटोलिसिस कुछ नहीं बोलिए, हमको यही कहना चाहिए सिंपली splitting of water is occurring during photosystem 2। ठीक है, पर्टिकुलर वर्ड यही यूज करना चाहिए। The third thing is that इसमें reduction of NADPH plus is also not occurring. These all things will occur during non-cyclic photophosphorylation। ठीक है, now open page number 7। The fourth point is only assimilatory power that is produced during photosystem 1 or cyclic photophosphorylation is ATP, whereas in case of non-cyclic both ATP and NADPH plus H plus are produced। This is the difference between photosystem 1 and cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation। And one major difference between cyclic and non-cyclic is that in case of non-cyclic photophosphorylation, both photosystem 1 and 2 will be involved, whereas in cyclic photophosphorylation, only photosystem 1 will be involved। ठीक है? So this is all about cyclic photophosphorylation and the details about the basic idea about photosynthesis। ठीक है. So in tomorrow's class we will be studying that chemiosmosis. So first I have sent that video already. Please see that video and come in class.
Ma'am, the
ठीक है?
part 2, right?
I will also, yeah, the part 2 or the video that I have shared today. The second video that is left, please see that video and then come in class. I will give time to watch the video again in class, but please come and see and come in
Ma'am,
class.
have you explained non-cyclic photophosphorylation?
Yes, in yesterday's class I have explained it.
Okay, ma'am.
That's the
You can see
previous
the video.
right?
Yeah. So for you, Asmi, I'm resending a link for that non-cyclic photophosphorylation.
ये बनाएंगे आपको 4H plus.
ठीक है? I'm
Yes, ma'am.
resending the link. Please see that video as well. The video that I have shared yesterday only and told you to see and ask me questions. Okay? So I think now the time is over. So आज का समझ में आया, and if you have any doubt, you can call me and ask me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.